Bangkok, a city of gold, temples, and chaos. And you're about to experience all of it, on your terms. Crowded group tours that rush you through the Grand Palace in 20 minutes. Guides who talk while you try to feel. Bangkok is too big and too beautiful for that. Uvamai's Bangkok self-guided audio tour gives you 12 of the city's most iconic landmarks, with professional audio guides that reveal hidden histories, royal secrets, and ancient legends you'll never read on a plaque. For just $6, you get your private access link, delivered straight to you. No group, no schedule, just Bangkok at your pace, across as many days as you want. Stand before the Golden Buddha and hear the story of how it stayed hidden for centuries. Cross into the world of Wat Phra Kaew and understand its ancient symbolism for the first time. Watch the Temple of Dawn rise from the Chao Phraya at sunrise. Wander Bangkok's legendary Chinatown. Discover the Marble Temple. Breathe easy at Lumpini Park. 12 stops. Your story. Thousands of explorers across 136 cities have chosen Uvamai, because real travel isn't about following someone else's route. It's about discovering your own. $6. 12 Bangkok landmarks. Your pace. Your Bangkok. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.